To use the dynamic island in OnePlus 15, first of all we'll need to launch our settings. Next step is to scroll down, and here we want to select notifications and quick settings. Next step is to select live alerts. So this is basically a dynamic island, however you want to call it. And now to actually use it, first of all you need to pick the behavior for capsule 2. And you can either open an app that sends you the notification, or you can view it in card. Then there's the app alerts for specific apps, as you can see. For example, there's Google Wallet, Maps, or Sports from Google. There's all of these supported apps right here. And finally, last thing is the system services. So we have music playback that you can control with the capsule. There's game timer service and personal hotspot, and finally screen recording. And all of those features are supported. If you cannot find a specific app that you want to use with the capsule, then sadly you will either need to wait for the time when it's actually supported, or you will need to get the other capsule, and for that you can check the description of this video. I will try to include a link to show you how to install the better version of the capsule for your phone. And that is basically everything. Thanks so much for watching, and if you like this video, please consider subscribing.